Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so you guys can see today video is not a vlog, alright, but stay tuned for the vlogs. But today video is about my sister in Jamaica. She has a YouTube channel. For all the old subscribers, you guys would know, I always share her videos and thing. Yeah man, but for all the new subscribers, yep, my sister has a YouTube channel and it's called Kim Vlogs. You see, so she does you know, adventure content and things, just exploring places, and you know what I mean, whenever she can get the chance to go do videos, she'll do it, you know. But the last time when I did the intro, a lot of you guys say I didn't talk what the channel was about and I didn't say the name. But prior to building the channel, I never asked her when I was doing when I was promoting her channel pretty much. So I just asked you guys to subscribe, you know what I mean? So you guys went over and did that anyway, so give thanks for that. But yeah, I'm asking you guys to kind of go support my sister channel. And also for all the people that's been asking on the latest videos about my brother s2r, because you guys saw my brother from Christmas list, or because his content is not now blowing up because he's in Canada. Yes, that's my brother DJ s2r, you know what I mean? Otherwise his real name Nero, you know what I mean? So yeah, I've introduced his channel as well and he's doing really well. So I'm asking you guys to just give my sister the same support, the same energy. Yeah man, and hopefully I'll see you guys over there. Link will be down in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Yeah man, so see you there. Blessings.